So I've bought 4 Oraimo headsets so far. The very first one was the earbuds, which I reviewed a while back. And then I got this one, the Boompop 2S. I got one, traveled with it. Someone collected it. I also did a giveaway here on YouTube. Someone won one of the devices. And then I later got another one for myself because, again, one of the things I like about the Oraimo headset is how I can be connected on my phone right now and at the same time stay connected on my MacBook as well. It connects to 2 devices at a time. If I'm watching something on my phone, it will pause what I'm playing on my Mac, and then I can pretty much watch what I want to watch. When I pause my phone's video or audio, whatever it is I'm playing on my Mac will resume. So it's really nice. One of the things that just makes it really stressful to use is the gesture feature. For those of you that don't know, I did bring this up in a later video. It has this gesture feature where if you're wearing it and you do like this, it will switch to next song. You do like this again. Basically, this area of the headset allows gesture controls. Where the buttons are allows gestures. You can pretty much pause. You can swipe to play next song, and that is really cool. That is awesome. But the problem with this feature is when you're traveling or on the road or in a marketplace, if you're driving past cars or you're just moving past people, this headset detects them as gestures. So they make your song stop playing or move to the next song or just go to the previous song, which is not good. It's not good at all. I've had cases where I did not even do like this and the song changed by itself. So if that happens to you a lot, in this video, I'll be teaching you how to pretty much disable the gesture feature through the Oraimo Sound app. So let's get right to it. But before I go, into that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and of course, like this video. First of all, make sure that the Bluetooth device is connected to your phone, the headset. So this is connected. Next, I am going to go to Google Play Store. Open your Play Store. When you get your Play Store, use the search and make sure you search for, of course, the Oraimo Sound app. It has this green logo. Install it to your device, your iPhone or your Android, it doesn't matter. Open it up. When it opens, you're going to see an interface like this one. As you can see, I have connected some devices here before. Now the next thing you want to do is click on add device to add the new headset that you have or the current headset that you have. So you go ahead and click on add device. As you can see, this device is already added. That's why it shows up here. So click on that when you've added it. Of course, that is where, or this is where you turn off gesture control. So you turn it off, and then you can also enable game mode so that your audio will be in sync when you're basically editing with the headset. So that's pretty much how to do it. It's not hard. Let me know if you have questions. This is also where you update the headset. This is basically where you can set the equalizer and the other features for the headset. So get the Oraimo Sound app so you'll be able to turn off gestures and everything else.